Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks of how I shop online. Interested? Keep watching. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So trick number one, if you're shopping online, number one, read the reviews. If you are looking for a specific item online app, I'd advise you guys to just read the reviews, because it can save you a lot of time and money and all the bad reviews you're going to give this seller, and instead you can get something better that you can actually buy. So I'd advise you guys to read the reviews. You can check out the reviews, what people are saying about this item, and it is up to you to decide whether you're going to buy it or leave it. Tip number two of shopping online, you need to be in contact with the seller or the vendor online. Send them a message. Ask them what this material looks like. Ask them what size they have. Ask them to send you dimensions of this particular item you want to buy, okay? Because some people, for example, are clothes, because I love buying clothes online and showing you guys what they look like. If you haven't watched my other videos, please click here. There will be something popping up for you guys to go and actually watch. If they haven't written the material, you can ask what material it is. If they have not written down the dimensions of the item you want to buy, you can actually ask. If it's a table you want to buy, or a stool or a desk, you can measure those dimensions to where you actually want to put it in your house or your living area, or where you want to put it, so that you know if it's going to fit or it's going to go beyond what you have in mind. Contact the seller, be clear on what exactly the item looks like, and have an idea of what you're about to buy. What else can you ask? If you know something else you can ask, please leave a comment down in the comment section so that we can know what you would ask the seller if there's a problem. Tip number three. Actually, this should be number one, but okay. Tip number three is watch YouTube reviews. Watch YouTube reviews. I am repeating again. Watch YouTube reviews. Guys, there are some people like me who dedicate their time and money and everything to actually give a review of particular items that they have bought online, so that you don't suffer. And yet I still see people out there writing on the comment section, oh, it has an issue, it's torn, oh, it's too light, oh, not what is being advertised. That's why I am here. That's why we are here, okay? We are here for you, and I'm here because of you guys, because without you guys I wouldn't be doing this anyway. So yeah, watch YouTube reviews. Watch YouTube reviews so that you can understand and see what this material looks like on someone, or the clarity that you're looking for. You know, at times, guys, the pictures that are put or displayed on the app are actually a bit edited, so when the item arrives it looks totally different. And hence you need to watch the YouTube reviews that we are putting out here for you guys. Oh yeah, and I also have reviews of items I've bought. You can just click here and you'll be so ed. Tip number four, if you want to look good bougie on a budget, tip number four is for you. Search the prices from low to high, or high to low, depending on how bougie you are. I mean, if the money is there, why not? So when you log into these apps, there is an area where it has filters. You can actually filter your search from the lowest price to the highest, and from the highest price to the lowest. And actually you can, if you have a budget for, let's say, like between 10,000 Kenya shillings to 20,000 Kenya shillings, there's actually an option for you to actually fill that in, and they're going to give you items within that range for you to see if you like them. And if you like them, you put them in the cart, and once you put them in the cart, you check them out and you get them, okay? That's tip number four. Tip number five, tip number 5. Ado to a cat sink sis. Set with no this. I remember this. Anyway, tip number 5. Tip number 5 is for those of you who buy clothing items, shoes and all that. Yeah, do not ignore the size chart and read the dimensions carefully. Okay, read the dimensions carefully, and if it is not there, you go back to tip number 2, which is you contact the seller or the vendor and ask them, what's up, what's happening, I cannot see the size chart, what's going on, and I cannot make a purchase without you guys actually telling me what the size chart you have for small, because these sizes differ, as you know. UK differ, US differ, and you know, different sizes for different countries. Once you're reading the dimensions, and this is a free advice for anyone who likes online shopping, always have your dimensions in centimeters, because when you use like the size 7, size 8, some countries differ, and you might, you know, for example, if you're wearing a shoe size 7, you will order a size 7, but then when it arrives, it's either smaller or bigger, and you're going to be disappointed. So that's why I'd advise you guys to know your measurements in centimeters so that you do not suffer, because most of these charts, if I am not wrong, and from what I have seen on KILIMALL and ALIEXPRESS, these charts always come in centimeters. So it's good for you to know your measurements in centimeters. That includes your body and your shoe size. You should know it in centimeters. Okay, so guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please, you know what to do. You know the culture, you know the norm here. You leave a comment, you like this video, you share. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that red little button that you're seeing on the right side of your screen. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. You can go stalk me on my socials. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please leave a comment down in the comment section, like this video and share. And guys, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video up to this point, I do not understand what you're doing here. You better subscribe and be part of the family, okay? The online shopping family, that is. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.